All right, so here we go. We need to draw this cube that is 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters. So to draw any shape, I'm going to draw it in 2D first, which is a sketch, and then draw it in 3D using the extrude button. So we go up the top here and we go to our sketch button. And what it'll do is it'll bring up these little rectangles. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose which rectangle I'm going to draw on. So imagine drawing a 2D shape. It's kind of like a sheet of paper. Do I want to draw it on the bottom? Do I want to draw it on this side, or do I want to draw it on this side? So it's a three-dimensional space, so there's three different sides to draw on. So this time I'm going to draw it on the bottom, and it turns and spins around and faces that way for me. Now my tools have changed up the top. I'm going to grab the 2-point rectangle tool. I'm just going to draw it from the middle. I'm going to click once and then drag out. I'm not going to worry about my sizes. Click again, there's my rectangle. Why do I not worry about my sizes? Because I'm going to get the dimension tool. So I'm going to click the dimension tool, click on one side, pull it out a little bit and click again. I'm going to type in 100 because that's the size of that side of my shape. And this other side also needs to be 100. So there I have my square that's 100 by 100. It's the right size, so I'm going to click Finish Sketch. And it'll rotate back to where we were before. And I can rotate it around a little bit. I want to draw a cube, so I need to pull it out. So I'm going to go, instead of a sketch, I want to make a 2D thing 3D, so I'm going to use the extrude button here. I'm going to drag it this way. I wanted 100, so I'm going to type in 100 and press enter. And there is my cube. That is 100 by 100 by 100.